To all of you, myself, Dr. R.K. Singh, Professor and Head Department of Zoology. In the MSc third semester, 4 paper, and third paper is the ecotoxicology. Unit first. Unit first is a concept of ecosystem. Ecology word was given by Tansley, and this topic is the two factors of environmental, abiotic and biotic. Abiotic and biotic. Abiotic contains temperature, pressure, humidity, and the abiotic factor contains of plant kingdom and both animal kingdom. And abiotic factors, the two factors combined, that is a ecosystem. The ecosystem is first freshwater ecosystem, that is freshwater. This is the two types of freshwater ecosystem. Is the one that is stagnant water, and second one is the running water. Running water contains the like river, and stagnant water the ponds and lakes both. And marine ecosystem, the sea and ocean. And terrestrial ecosystem, these are the desert and grassland ecosystem, that is grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, both are in the terrestrial ecosystem. The freshwater ecosystem, the pond ecosystem, is in any ecosystem the 4 component is required. One is the producer, second one is the consumers, and third one is the decomposers. The producer means produce the product that can be consumed by the animal, that is the consumers, the primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumers. And the decomposers are bacteria and fungi, viruses. They are the decomposers in any ecosystem, pond ecosystem or grassland ecosystem or marine ecosystem. They are the number of producers change play as per the requirement, as per the ecosystem. In the freshwater ecosystem, like a pond ecosystem, the producer is the phytoplankton, and the consumers, first consumer is the zooplankton to fishes to larval, fishes to reptiles like a snake or eagle, that is the top consumers. And decomposers is a fungi, bacteria, virus and fungi. They are the decomposers. Similarly, the grassland ecosystem, the grass is the producer, and the rat or rabbits are consumers. And the herbivorous and carnivorous animal, they are the consumed herbivorous, and after the top carnivores, and the decomposers are the bacteria, virus or fungi. The desert ecosystem, those thorn like any plant thorn like, and all the animals found in the desert area, they are evaporation is the very less. Those animals are nocturnal, most of them, and they are the live on the desert area in the caves, and the ocean ecosystem, the connectivity of the phytoplankton to zooplankton, like phytoplankton to zooplankton, phytoplankton to zooplankton, zooplankton to the pond ecosystem, tadpole larvae of amphibia, fishes, snakes, these are the pond ecosystem. And the abiotic factors, the ecosystem, and the biotic factor temperature, second one is the pressure, third one is the humidity, air,